Hello everyone, welcome back. So your email application probably decides how stressful your day feels more than you realize. So in 2026, the competition between Gmail, Apple Mail and Outlook is closer than ever. So the real question here is which one is actually the best right now? Let's break it down in this video. So first of all, let's talk about Gmail. So Gmail is still the king for most of the people because it is packed with smart features. Its AI tools in 2026 can now summarize long emails, write the replies, organize the inboxes automatically, and even detect the important tasks inside the messages. So you can simply search is also unmatched. You will find a 5-year-old email in seconds. So Gmail is best for Android users, students, business users, but there is a downside as well. Some of the people still feel Gmail looks crowded and privacy concerns around Google data collection haven't completely disappeared. Now let's just talk about the Apple Mail. So Apple Mail becomes much smarter in 2026 with better AI summaries, cleaner categories and improved spam filtering. But its biggest strength is its simplicity. It feels clean, fast and distraction free, especially on iPhone or iPad and Mac. The privacy is also a huge advantage here. Apple focuses heavily on the device processing and the minimal tracking. So if you want a calm, simple email experience, Apple Mail is honestly great now. Then we have Outlook Mail. So Outlook is basically the productivity monster. It connects deeply with the Microsoft 365 Teams, calendars, meetings, and work tools. So its AI scheduling and the work organization features are also incredibly useful in 2026. But for the casual users, it can sometimes feel a bit too business focused. So the quick answer that I can give you is you can go with Gmail if you want something smartest all-rounder email application. You can choose Apple Mail for the cleanest and the most private application. You can choose Outlook, which is best for work and productivity. But honestly, the best email app in 2026 depends less on features and more on which ecosystem you already live in. So in this if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.